Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo juice bar and salad bar. I'm always making salad and give you them all kind of recipe salad juice bits and pieces. But I want you guys to just enjoy the simple little recipe which I'm going to make for you guys. And I know you're 100% definitely will love this one. So please stay tuned and log in on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click in the notification bell. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, so please don't go nowhere. Please stay right there in your kitchen and listen and look how we're going to make this beautiful rice salad. Okay, the rice salad now is just a little bit of leftover rice salad, and I decided to make a fine dining rice salad to bring with me to work. I can have it for my lunch. I don't want to waste it. I can have it for my lunch. That's where it goes. Thank you for tuning and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, thank you for watching. Nice one. So basically I have a little bit of leftover salad right here. Little bit of rice, sorry guys. Yeah, so if you have a little bit of leftover rice, that's coming really handy. So I'm gonna be using some cherry tomato inside of my salad. So all I'm going to do is to cut them into half and put them straight inside of the bowl, like what you see I'm doing right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using a lot of vegetables to balance off the salad, that it come out lovely and nice. Lovely. So, and then second thing, I have roughly a handful of spinach, and spinach is really good for us. We should be having spinach every day. And then we're going to be using roughly about half of a white onion, red onion. Spring onion. This is some celery. Cucumber. I just use half a cucumber inside of it. And what we're going to do now is pop a little bit of olive oil. Little bit of pepper. And some dry chili. This is dry chili. You can have dry chili anyway. So this is exactly what I'm talking about when I'm saying I'm gonna make you guys a simple rice salad. So this is where it come in really handy. So you have to do the rice salad like that. Alright? Nice. So transfer more rice salad into a serving bowl. Alright. Again, simple. Pepper. And a little bit of chili. Look at that. That is fantastic. I love it. Alright, also you can put a little bit of garlic. Is that nice? I want to take the time out to say thank you guys for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes like this, a lot more ideas will be coming. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get the latest update from Chef Ricardo team. This is a fantastic rice salad. Have a lot of, vegetables towards it to balance off the rice. Thank you for watching. All you have to do is just use less rice when you're going to make this beautiful rice salad. So I will see you next time, and my name is Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.